I really love this jacket. I bought it around September 2025, right when the weather in the US started to cool down for fall. Before this, I had purchased another Levi's jacket that was a bit longer and more suitable for winter. This one, however, has a lighter fabric, which makes it perfect for the early fall season. I'm 5 feet 7 inches, about 170 centimeters tall, and weigh around 155 pounds, about 70 kilograms. When I first tried this jacket on size medium, I thought it might be a little too big, and even considered exchanging it for a smaller size. But after thinking it over, I decided to keep it, and that turned out to be the right choice. After one wash, the jacket shrank slightly and now fits me perfectly. I really appreciate its classic design. It looks timeless but not old-fashioned at all. I've worn it for coffee, outings with friends, and even to more formal places like church, and it always looks stylish and neat. This jacket is ideal for fall and the early winter months, when it's cool but not too cold. I can easily pair it with a t-shirt or a dress shirt underneath. Overall, I'm very happy with this jacket. If there's one small thing I'd change, it would be the buttons. I personally prefer snap buttons instead of the regular ones. It's a great jacket, stylish, comfortable, and definitely worth it.